Hey there, Spencer with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. A leaky kitchen faucet might seem like a small issue, but it can actually waste a surprising amount of water and can cause damage over time if it's not addressed. Most faucets fall into one of three categories: compression, cartridge, or disc faucets. Compression faucets use rubber washers that wear out over time. Cartridge faucets are more modern and reliable, but their cartridges can still degrade. Disc faucets use ceramic discs, which are pretty durable, but sediment from hard water can mess them up, especially if you don't have a water softener. Common causes of faucet leaks include worn-out O-rings and washers, mineral buildup, or even improper installation. Might not seem like much, but over time, these small issues can lead to bigger problems like mold, wood rot, or high water bills. If you're comfortable with DIY repairs, here's a simple checklist of things that you should ensure you do during the installation. Turn off your water supply. Identify your faucet type. Carefully take it apart and look for worn components. Replace the damaged components and reassemble and test. With a few tools and a little patience, fixing a leaky faucet can be a quick weekend project. Of course, not every leak is easy to fix. If you get stuck or just want peace of mind, definitely call in a professional. But whether you DIY it or call in a pro, fixing that leak is always the right move for your wallet and your property. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips. You can also check out our other videos or visit AskRain.com for more plumbing advice. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.